welcome. Next part of this partial differential equation, fourth part you may say. There is one property of how to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function, and with the help of that property we can solve such examples. Eliminate the arbitrary function f from this equation, f of x plus y plus z, x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0, and form a partial differential equation, or simply eliminate that arbitrary functions. Then ultimately we get partial differential equation. Let u is equal to x plus y plus z and v is equal to, suppose, x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0. Then we can write this equation in this way. That is, given equation becomes f of u v is equal to 0. Let this equation number is 1. Okay. Now our target is to remove f, because this is arbitrary function and we want to eliminate arbitrary function. Differentiate with respect to x and y, partially, of course. Differentiate one partially with respect to x and y. Partially, dou f by dou u by dou x, and here dou f by dou v by dou x is equal to 0 when we differentiate partially with respect to x. And second, with respect to y, then dou f by dou u by dou y, dou f by dou v by dou y is equal to 0. In this example, u and v are the functions of x, y and z, and we write here because dou u by dou y with respect to, when we differentiate partially with respect to x, then keeping y as a constant, therefore there is no any term of y, there is no term of x. Here dou f by dou v, dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v we want to eliminate. Therefore eliminate dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v from 2 and 3. Again, this is the determinant method. Take directly coefficients. Therefore we take the coefficients dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, and dou v by dou y, and apply our partial derivatives for these functions. For u, what is dou u by dou x? It is 1. But dou u by dou y, 0. 0 plus 1, isn't it? Dou u by dou x, 1 plus 0 plus dou z by dou x. What is u is equal to here x plus y plus z. Therefore dou u by dou x we can write as 1 plus 0 plus dou z by dou x, that is 1 plus p. Therefore we write here 1 plus p. Similarly 1 plus q, and dou v by dou x, v is here x square plus y square plus z square. Therefore dou v by dou x means differentiate partially with respect to x, keeping y as a constant, therefore 2x here plus 0, again z square 2z and into dou z by dou x, that is 2x plus 2z p, and this is 2x, or here is a minus and therefore we write here minus, and here we write minus. Similarly dou v by dou y, and this is determinant. We know that the determinant a b c d, ad minus bc, by simplification and collecting the term of small p, small q and other terms, direct we write y plus zp plus minus times x plus zq is equal to x minus y, and this is pp plus qq is equal to r. That is Lagrange's linear partial differential equation, which is required result. By eliminating arbitrary function we get partial differential equation. Here is the second example, same example. Here is a given function is z is equal to f of xy upon z. Then differentiate partially. Our rules of differentiations are same because dou z by dou x with respect to x. Then the first term we write derivative of f of xy upon z means f dash of xy upon z, and then differentiate xy upon z by quotient rule. We know that quotient rule, u upon v, that is v du minus u dv upon v square. In similar way, we write zy minus xy p dou z by dou x. P is the dou z by dou x. By taking product, we can write as like this. And then here also xy upon z. How we can write xy upon z? That is, this is u say, and this is v. Then v square z derivative of xy with respect to x, y, with respect to y, x. Therefore, here is y minus xy as it is, and derivative of z dou z by dou x, and dou z by dou x is p. Therefore, we write these terms and simple partial derivative, and then from 2 and 3 equate these terms because this is same, and therefore take on one side, and then we can write as like this: p upon zy minus xy upon p into z square, q upon zx minus xy into z square. Z square cancel. Then again simplification, we get this Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. There are many examples. One more example is here: form PD equation by eliminating function phi. Here is the arbitrary function is phi, and we want to eliminate. What is the nature? Z is x minus y into phi of x square plus y square. Differentiate partially. Here we want to differentiate this partially. First, with respect to x, dou z by dou x, it is p. That is, this is product rule. Our usual product rule of derivative. First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Here, first, suppose this is first, phi of x square plus y square into derivative of x minus y. What is derivative of x minus y with respect to x? 1. Therefore, here 1 into something, that is that phi of x square plus y square, plus second into derivative of first. Phi चा derivative phi dash, आणि परत आतल्या प्रॉडक्ट कंसातलं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह x स्क्वेअर प्लस y स्क्वेअरचं 2x. हे जसं आपण लिहिलेलं आहे तसंच dou z by dou y पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y. y साठी काय होईल? इथं -1 होईल, म्हणून इथं -1 लिहिलेलं आहे आपण. परत तेच x minus y into phi dash into 2y. का 2y? तर इथं आता विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y म्हणतोय, म्हणून विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y that is 2y. तर अशा प्रकारे हे dou z by dou x आणि dou z by dou y म्हणजे p आणि q आपल्याला असे मिळालेले आहेत. इलिमिनेट आपल्याला फाय करायचं आहे, हे सारखं लक्षात ठेवलं की हे सगळं सोपं आहे. बघा आता इथं काय केलं आपण, या dou z by dou x ला y ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, dou z by dou y ला x ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं. मग काय झालं, यालाही y ने करावं लागेल, यालाही x ने करावं लागेल, आणि मग यालाही y ने करावं लागेल, यालाही x ने करावं लागेल. तर ह्या टर्म्स कॅन्सल होतील कारण सिमिलर टर्म्स होतील. कारण 2xy इंटू समथिंग आणि 2xy इंटू समथिंग, त्यामुळे ह्या जेव्हा वजाबाकी होईल तेव्हा हे कॅन्सल होतील आणि फक्त काय राहील y phi of x square plus y square आणि मायनस मायनस प्लस x phi of x square plus y square. जेव्हा आपण हे करून बघू तेव्हा आपल्याला हे सहज समजतं काय त्याच्यामध्ये काही असं विशेष काही नाही. आणि a common phi and then use our example. Phi of x square plus y square, what is phi of x square plus y square? Z upon x minus 1. Therefore here z upon x minus 1. And this is the partial derivative which has no phi. ज्याच्यात phi नाही असं हे partial derivative पार्शियल डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन पाहायला मिळते. इथं काय केलेलं आहे फक्त आपण याचं पार्शियली विथ रिस्पेक्ट एक्स एक इक्वेशन, विथ रिस्पेक्ट वाय दुसरं इक्वेशन, आणि यांच्यामध्ये ही टर्म घातली फाय. एवढंच. एकदा तुम्ही जर लिहून वहीमध्ये बघितलं शांतपणे, कारण व्हिडिओ बघत असताना व्यवस्थित झूम करून नेमकं कुठलं व्हेरिएबल कुठं आहे हे व्यवस्थितपणे बघितलं की अंडरस्टँडिंग वाढतं. परत परत आपण ते बघू शकतो. अँड यू कॅन आस्क एनी क्वेश्चन फॉर एनी टाईप ऑफ क्वेश्चन अँड एनी टाईम. माझा नंबर तुमच्याकडे आहे 9175527895. जर नंबर नसेलच तर या नंबरला व्हॉट्सअप आहे नंबर, डाऊट्स विचारू शकता. आणि बाकीचे व्हिडिओ सुद्धा तुम्ही आता चॅनलला आपण बघू शकता. ओके. सम homework examples. These are the two examples we can do at home. Okay, thank you.